Introduction: Twist and mate terminal block idea for fire alarm applications. Fire alarms, smoke detectors, and such similar devices are typically installed by twisting. In order to achieve a quick wire connection between the device and ceiling, we are now developing a twist and mate solution with terminal blocks. Typically, these leaf springs are used to provide power to the main unit, but terminal blocks or connectors are also used for a direct connection between ceiling and main unit. Here's our idea to achieve an easy connection twist and mate. As you twist clockwise and attach the main unit, you can automatically connect wires thanks to these terminal blocks. See you next time!